I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Linking a bank account on Sezzle can seem tricky at first, but it is pretty straightforward once you know the steps. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Open the Sezzle app. Launch the Sezzle app on your device or visit the Sezzle website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the payment methods section to add a new bank account. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. In the payment methods section, click on Add Bank Account. This will prompt you to enter your bank details. Step 4. Enter your bank information. Fill in the required fields with your bank account number and routing number. Double check for accuracy to avoid errors. Quick gotcha. Make sure you don't confuse your routing number with your account number. They are different. Step 5. Confirm and save. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. And that is it. You're all set to use your linked bank account with Sezzle. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team. Happy shopping!